everyone and welcome to Red and Kitchen. Today I introduce spring spaghetti, or if you like, spaghetti primavera, or it sounds better actually, spaghetti primavera. By the way, do you have veggies inside your fridge that are going to bed? Or you are looking for something simple, fresh for this season, or a way to get kids to eat vegetables? Guys, stay with me. I will answer to all these questions. We will make a cream which will be the base for our pasta, made up of eggplant, zucchini, leek, lemon peel, garlic, toasted pistachio and parmesan. And of course we cannot forget the herbs, in this case basil, but really you can enjoy and mix whatever you like. And as garnish, cherry tomatoes, we will caramelize them, contrast sweet, acidity a bit, and our green beans. We will boil them and just put as garnish. We will give that crunchy effect. And pasta, in this case Bavarette, and I love spaghetti, but you can really use any kind of pasta you like. So guys, let's go. Simply we remove the external part, green beans, now it's time for pasta. 10 minutes. See you later. Glass of wine. I didn't cut tomatoes because I want to have a candy effect. So when you eat, it will be an explosion. I like the mix. You have a good sense of freshness with the explosion of tomato inside your mouth is a game changer. I will leave here other videos if you would like to see spring recipes, and see you next week.